Simeo Recfund achievements for the fiscal year of 2018-2019. Our vision. Our mission. First, key result area. Innovations under Simeo Recfund's two flagship programs. Simeo Recfund initiated Early Childhood Care, Nutrition and Education ECCNE program in 2017. This program aims to provide a model of integrated implementation of essential components of childcare and parenting to optimize physical growth as well as cognitive, social, and emotional development of children. This fiscal year marks the development of two ECCNE models, one for stunting prevention in several sites of Indonesia and another one for post-disaster recovery in East Lombok. We started our program activity with a nationwide survey of early childhood teachers' competency mapping. One of the key findings shows that while 61% of them received basic training for ECE educators, 77% of them have not received training on health, food, and nutrition. Simeo Recfund initiated an ECCNE model for the disaster-prone area through establishing a post-disaster recovery center located at East Lombok. Simeo Recfund initiated an ECCNE model for stunting prevention through the Integrated Health Post for Children Posyandu in Malang, East Java, and Sambas, West Kalimantan. The model enhances the use of local specific food-based recommendation (FBR) delivered by nutritionists of the Public Health Center to mothers of under 2 children. Simeo Recfund initiates inter-center partnership on ECCNE program. In conceptualizing the initial ECCNE program implementation framework, Simeo Recfund indicated Simeo CE, CCEP, and Simeo Tropmed as major partners. As part of Nutrition Goes to School NGTS program, Simeo Recfund initiated a school-based nutrition promotion (SBNP) working group in 2018. The main rationale is the need to create reliable and sufficient evidence on nutrition promotion at school to be used as one of the bases for advocating the integration of nutrition promotion in regular school activities. The center has already established 2 working groups for this purpose, one for Indonesia and another one for Southeast Asia. The Southeast Asia SBNP Working Group Workshop was financially supported by the Simeo Secretariat, Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition, GAIN, and the Government of Indonesia through the center's annual budget allocation. Research and Development. In this fiscal year, Simeo Recfund held the 3rd research grant program. A request for proposal RFP system was implemented, where the research objectives and study designs were specified to be in line with the center's priority programs and selected research lines. Here are the titles of research projects granted this fiscal year. In this fiscal year, Simeo Recfund published several scientific publications. SearchNut is a portal established to improve the efficient development of evidence-based policy and research in the region. The website is refined with a new layout and updated searching tools that include features such as general search, Pico search according to population, intervention, comparison, and outcome, searching history, and citation. Capacity building. Through Nutrition Goes to School program that serves as one of the flagship programs of Simeo Rakfon, a total of 1,608 school teachers and 635 schools in Indonesia have participated in the nutrition education training over the past year. The training was conducted through two different channels, which are 3-day face-to-face training and 3-month online training using MOOC. Simeo Rakfon continues its commitment to strengthening the establishment of a healthy school canteen in the region. In collaboration with Simeo Secretariat and Indonesian Directorate of Vocational Education, we convene Simeo Creative Camp or SEA-CC. Following the success of nutrition competition for high school students in Indonesia in the previous year, in 2018, Simeo Rakfon held nutrition competition for high school students in the region with the theme Youth Creation to Accelerate Zero Hunger. School garden and school canteen are seen as potential learning venues for building a healthier school food environment that facilitates healthy eating. Simeo Rakfon published 2 modules for engaging students with experiential learning on food and nutrition related topics through school canteen and school garden. Simeo Rakfon actualizes its vision of developing qualified human resources in the area of food and nutrition to meet the schools and community needs in Southeast Asia, primarily through its training program. This year, we have continued to provide a full and wide range of learning activities, from socialization to training to achieve certain competencies. This graph shows the number of participants during the fiscal year. The in-country trainings are implemented in collaboration with partner institutions to address specific training needs of target participants in a particular country in the region. In this fiscal year, we conducted 3 courses on nutritional status assessment, 1 on basic nutrition, 1 on applied nutrition, 3 courses on linear programming for optimal diet, 5 courses on food safety and HACCP. In this fiscal year, we also conducted seminars on food and nutrition. Second key result area. The mission trips made during the fiscal year of 2018-2019 promoted and increased the implementation of Simeo Rakfon's programs and activities. 12 MOU or MOA were signed during this fiscal year, covering research, community development, as well as training activities with the following partners. In 2019, Simeo Rakfon also started formalizing and strengthening its linkage with media outfits in Indonesia to increase the center's visibility. A total of 53 articles were published, 5 in printed media and 37 in online media, by the journalists that participated in the orientation convened by the center. The visits were meant to enhance the dissemination of the center's programs, activities, and expertise, as well as to strengthen the management capacity to support the implementation of our programs or activities. The high school students were given some exposures on multimedia activities, while the college student on business administration. Program and information dissemination. Our social media coverage. The center's website was also upgraded in terms of its appearance and thematic content. Simeo Rakfon staff also produced 10 popular articles and 3 press releases focusing on food, and nutrition aspects. 7 of these articles were published by the local media during the fiscal year in review. Simeo Recfon published 4 books during the fiscal year of 2018-2019. Third key result area: financial viability. Simeo Recfon is committed to enhance the knowledge, skills, and attitude of its staff yearly, toward enabling the center to implement its programs and activities more effectively and efficiently. This fiscal year, we welcome our new Deputy Director for Program, Dr. Jess Fernandez from the Philippines. Simeo Recfon also recruited 4 research assistants and 5 new affiliate researchers to strengthen its human resource staff complement.